Lucea, the capital of Hanover, another of Jamaica's historic north coast towns, is located at the northwestern tip of the island, between the tourist capital Montego Bay and the so-called capital of casual, Negril. With its seascapes view and cool ocean breeze, Lucea is an idyllic getaway for persons craving a simpler yet exotic living. West of the town is located the Hanover Museum, which contains artifacts from the town's historical pirate era. Lucea is also well known for its buzzing market, which sells fresh produce, while supermarkets and other prominent businesses provide a more modern shopping experience in the antique township, while first-class healthcare can be accessed at the only Type 1 facility in Western Jamaica, the Cornwall Regional Hospital, which is located about 30 minutes away in Montego Bay. Lucea's latest housing development adds new charm to the traditional town and its environs. A gated community with 24-hour surveillance, Oceanpointe houses spacious 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom solutions for the buyers longing for more space to enjoy greater peace of mind, a mindset also influenced by having the sea as its closest neighbor. And outfitted with a community clubhouse, gym, pool, football, tennis, and multi-purpose court, a children's play area and park, Oceanpointe is optic living if you're raising a small family or enjoying the solitude of singleness. Take the virtual tour of this JN banked finance development by Infinite Houses.
For our 2-bedroom unit, this is our master bedroom. Can accommodate either a king or a queen size bed depending on how you situate the bed, either on this wall or this one. Each of the bedrooms, both master and second bedroom, come with a sliding closet door with shelving outfitted inside, as well as pre-piping for AC. There is an upgrade that you can purchase through us for AC and ceiling fans. All our bathrooms come as you see them. You get your granite countertop, the full vanity comes fully installed, sink and faucet. You have your shower with your half glass enclosure, tempered glass, and along with the full shower system, rain head shower head with the detachable piece. This is our second bedroom. Slightly smaller than the master, but as you can see, it can still comfortably fit a queen size bed, can also fit a full or 2 twin beds. The kitchen, again, we have our granite countertops. You have a double sink, storage space for days, plenty space for a huge fridge, 30-inch stove, and you can even accommodate an undermount microwave. Behind me you have your living space. It can accommodate an L-shaped sofa, enough space for a media center, as well as a few amenities that we offer are our tray ceilings, Over here we have a little bulkhead area along with some recessed lighting. If you'd like, you can upgrade those and get your AC units and your ceiling fans. Your washroom can easily accommodate a washer and a dryer, have plenty space for storage on top, comes with a laundry tub and another feature with hidden your electrical panel here in the back.
In our last episode, we talked about saving. So now you have your savings, the next thing to do is to look for the property you want. Think about your needs. Do you want a house with a yard or do you want to live in a complex? What are your must-haves? Now, before you get your house, you need to get pre-approved. And before you get pre-approved, you need to think about any loans you have outstanding and pay them off because they will affect how much you can borrow.